final results for year ending 31st of October 2020. Now, I'm not going to go over all of this, guys, because you know I can't read. So I'll go over some key points. Basically, AFC Energy, a leading provider of hydrogen power technologies, is pleased to announce the results of the year end 31st of October 2020. Highlights of these results are as shown. 6-month engagement with global e-mobility leader ABB, blah, 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 in the post-year-end formation of strategic partnership to develop high-power electric vehicle charging solutions with the established route to grow worldwide EV market. Achieved first commercial orders, including appointment as official charging partner of the FIA-accredited Extreme E in 2021, providing sustainable off-grid power for rapid charging. Confirmed initial order book of 1.1 million at year end, with strong pipeline of commercial orders across prospective partners and distributors currently under development. Now, this is the most important thing. Confirmed initial orders. Now, they don't actually have any orders. Obviously, we all know that Extreme E, it's on the boat, so it's all done. But they've got orders of 1.1 million at year end. Now, obviously, this is October last year. So obviously this year they'll start producing those orders and delivering them, which means potentially more money for us guys. Right, so announced collaboration with global contractor, whatever that is, highlighting opportunities for sustainable construction and temporary power applications. That's probably got something to do with their construction. They're looking to basically take over the diesel generation and put in their system, so that's probably something to do with that. Introduce potential for alkaline fuel cell adoptions in high growth microgrid applications with system sales to whatever that says as its Living Lab Energy Campus. They put something at a university by the sounds of it. Commence strategic relationship with Ricardo PLC post year end to explore alkaline fuel cell deployment across global maritime, rail, and stationary markets following growth in inquiries, all new target industries for the business. Oversubscribed 31.6 million fundraise, strengthening balance sheet for accelerated growth. Now that is the most important. They got 31.6 million sitting in a bank. So we won't go over too much of it. Technology might be interesting. That's pretty much. Oh, hang on, what's this? Prototype designed of high density S series fuel cell completed and work commenced to assemble and demonstrate short stack performance prior to scaling up to full scale 10 kilowatt stack in 2021 and expected release of commercial scale stacks to the market in late 2022. So again, that's all good news. Key financial highlights, that's what we like to see. Stronger year-end cash balance of 31.6 million. The previous year was 1.6 million. So they got 30 million from somewhere this year, probably from us guys. Providing the basis for future growth. Growth investment in product range reflecting an increased loss of 4.2 million. Year previous was 2.9 million. Now that to me just means that they are spending a lot more money on new products, which again, it has to happen. Like a company's got to spend money to make money. Strong pipeline growth across all target markets post year end with potential for community, that word I can't say, revenue. Now, that is the highlights, guys. I will not go over too much of the financials because, as you guys know, I'm a bit thick and I don't really understand it. But what I'll do is I will literally, this is the statement of comprehensive income. Now, if you guys want to read that, pause it and have a read because I'm not going to lie, I don't know what any of that means. Statement of financial position. Again, if you want to read that, pause it now. Statement of change of whatever that says. I might need to learn to read first. Again, pause it if you want to read that. Cash flow statement. Again, if you want to read this, then pause it because it doesn't mean anything to me. I really need to learn this. Like I've been trying to learn what all this means, but it really does hurt my head. Operating loss. Then we got directors' remuneration, net finance, and taxation. So that's that, guys. Again, pause it. Then you got loss per share and intangible assets. Then you've got rights of use assets. Again, pause it if you want to read it. Then you got tangible fixed assets. Again, pause it. Then you've got the investments, receivables, and cash equivalents. Issued share capital there. Financial instructions. But yeah, like and subscribe. Really appreciate it for all you newbies that have subscribed lately. Thank you so much. Really do appreciate it.